Thank you for joining me. I'm so happy you're here. So, I want to talk about some ways that you can gain some easy exposure for your business using Google. It's called the Google business page. So, when my light just went out. Anyways, when you go on Google, you type in a business, you're either typing it in for one or two reasons. You want to verify the credibility or you want to see the reviews. So, not only are you getting that visibility when you have your clients do reviews on you, it also creates that credibility. So, what I want to walk you guys through is how to set up this Google business profile. Now, I am a fan, and I say even if you have an e commerce business, you should set this up. It's not only for brick and mortars because it really helps with that visibility aspect. Do you remember the last time you were in a city and you looked up lashes near me or, mechanic near me? Whatever, insert profession or service product near me. So, first things first, you want to click manage. Oh, no, not manage now. Whoopsies. You want to click sign in. And these are the businesses that I have managed before as a social media manager. So, I am actually going to set up my business today. So we're going to use style connoisseur marketing. And then the business category, I would say, is consultant. Then next. And for the purposes of this video, I am actually going to click yes, because here's why. Even if you are an e-commerce business, you have a PO box, you have something where you can actually add your address to. Again, we're doing this for visibility and credibility. So what you want to do is click yes, and then you're going to enter the business address. For mine, this is my business address. So we're going to click next. Oh, actually, and hold on, let me go back and let me add the suite 100. Do you provide deliveries or home or office visits? I think that this is specifically for if you like have hours. Again, we're going to click yes. Um, Actually, I'm going to do no. But if you are a brick and mortar, you should do yes. So we're going to see what both look like. So then you're going to add the areas that you serve. So because I am a consultant and I do have a physical address, I am going to go ahead and add Atlanta. Maybe Gwinnett County is another one I'm going to add. So this is right here where you're going to add in those areas that you want to target so that you can come up in the search when people are in Gwinnett County or when they're in Atlanta and they want to look for you. So I'm just going to click next, and then you go ahead and enter your phone number. For me, this is my website, obviously. And then, yeah, okay, so normally you can just get verified right away. And then you go ahead and add your hours. So for me, I'm just going to do 24 hours each day. Obviously, if you are a true brick and mortar, you want to put in your hours that you're actually available and make sure that they're right, because when you pop up on that Google listing, because of the visibility aspects of this, you want to make sure that your hours are correct so you can get every client that is coming up, every potential lead. I'm sorry. Um, you can also accept messages. So when they do find you, they want to find out if you do cluster lashes as opposed to, individual lashes, they can message you. So then we're going to click next, and then you can add in about your business. So I'm going to say style connoisseur Whoopsies. I promise I know how to spell. All right. So then you click next. And then here's where you can drag in some photos. So for me, I'm just gonna go on my desktop right here, and I know I have a photo of me working. So I'm gonna just drop this one here. And I may do a follow up to this because another thing is that Google Business, this business profile, they have like their own little platform where you can update your clients when they do find you as like a posting feed. So like, if you have a special for Christmas or if you have adjusted hours or anything like that, this is a underrated tool that people aren't using. So again, they're going to show you, obviously it's Google, this is free, but they want you to advertise. So they're going to give you that $500 in ad credit. Um, I have actually done this for one of my clients that was a waxing salon, and we ended up getting a really good ROI on it. She definitely, I think that we invested $500 and probably 10x our initial investment. Wait, no, I wouldn't say 10x 'cause I think that's 500,000. I don't know the exact numbers, but what I know is that she basically got her money back that she put in. So you can definitely claim your credit. I would go ahead and do so. Um, but yeah, you're practically done. Here is what your business listing will look like. And, obviously I have a lot of things to go on here and fix, but as you can see, you have the edit profile, read reviews, messages, you can add photos, you can see how things are doing. You can even hook up booking to this. So Google Business Profile is a really underrated tool. And moving forward into 2024, I mean, nothing is changing. We're still on our phones. This is a free tool to gain credibility and gain visibility at the same time. So I'm so happy. And also, as y'all can see, it didn't even take 10 minutes to set up. So I definitely recommend you go ahead and set this up for your business. And happy building your business. That was so corny, but yeah. If y'all have any questions, you can always reply to this email or shoot me a quick DM at Kelly Hosang. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.